what's good? Thank you guys for joining me in today's video. If you guys are new here, my name is Santos. If you guys are returning subscribers, you guys already know what's good, fam. Thank you guys for the continued support and welcome back to another video. So guys, we have a new makeup tutorial. I'm super excited. Firstly, y'all, this video is super special. Oh my goodness. In today's video, guys, we're going to be collaborating with two other influencers. When I tell you it's been my dream to work with other influencers since I started my journey as an influencer, it's been a little over a year and I'm finally getting to work with two amazing influencers, and I couldn't have asked for this opportunity because it's first of all with two amazing women, and like it's the perfect time, you know what I'm saying? So I'm really excited. So let me go ahead and introduce you guys to the first collaborator. The first collaborator is my chocolate gumdrop. You guys all know her by Makeup Life by Cheyenne on social media. She is the soft glam queen, okay? She delivers. I mean, don't get me wrong. Homegirl delivers very much wearable looks, but she also delivers fire, okay? So my girl switches it up from time to time. I just love her. Her growth this past year has been amazing. To see her just grow in front of the camera and on social media has just been just an amazing ride. So thank you, Cheyenne, for allowing me to be a part of this journey with you. Thank you for making my dreams come true in today's video. I'm really excited to be working with you, friend. You truly have been just a breath of fresh air, and honestly, you know personally how we are as, you know, spiritual people, and we just bond on that level, you know. So just so honored to know you, friend, and I'm super excited to see your look in today's video because I know it's gonna be fire. So let's go ahead and get into a second collaborator. Now the second collaborator, I truly admire her body of work. She truly is the definition of an entrepreneur. This woman her talents is unmatched. Like, she's in every lane. Any lane that she can like be in, she is in, okay? And this is just the beginning for her. And for her to even give us the opportunity, myself and Cheyenne, you know, we're such little influencers, and working with influencers that's growing so fast on social media is truly an honor. And guys, since the day we have crossed paths, I have truly admired her body of work. Like, her makeup artistry is just impeccable, and she truly pushes me to do things like this. Like, it truly, my makeup has never looked this good, and it truly is because of her. She shared a lot of her tips and tricks. She's always teaching us all on social media what to do, what techniques, you know, when things are evolving. So just so grateful to be working with you in today's video, TATANISHA. Thank you so much for never judging us smaller influencers by numbers, still allowing us to have a voice. So I'm so grateful for you. I know your look is going to turn out fire, okay? Because you are what? The color queen, and I love you. So again, thank you so much for collaborating with us. I don't want to go ahead and make this intro too long, so definitely don't forget to go ahead and check the description bar for their handles. Definitely go give them a follow because they are multi-talented women. Alright guys, so let's just get a really close up really quickly of the makeup in today's video. So, y'all, the makeup is makeup-ing, okay? The eyes is giving, the skin is giving. Oh, it's perfect. Okay, so as you guys can see, we have a very colorful look. I want to go ahead and put the inspiration picture here. As I mentioned earlier, there is 3 variations of this look, 3 different ways to wear the look, and on different eye shapes as well, and different skin tones. So again, I definitely encourage you guys to go check out my friends and their looks. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and did a half cut crease, and then I did like almost a graphic liner on the inside, and then I threw that pop of yellow in it. I did want to cater to the small eyed community because you guys know I have very, very small eyes. So I wanted to just go ahead and enhance, you know, what we already have naturally. So I did switch up a little bit of the color palettes. I did stay within the colors. I just happened to do lighter versions of them to open up my eyes. So I did go in with pastels. You guys already know I love me some pastels. So we had to incorporate them in this look. And then I just added the yellow. I just wanted a, when I looked at this look, I felt like it needed a bright waterline. And y'all, I haven't rocked a yellow waterline in forever. So here it is. I do hope you guys like this makeup because I'm absolutely obsessed. And of course, I forgot I had a shirt to literally match this. So I had a completely different outfit I was going to wear. But I was like, you know what? We're going to go with this. Okay. If you guys are interested in today's makeup look, definitely stay tuned for the tutorial portion of this video. If you guys are lovers of makeup tutorials, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the Ignitions family if you guys aren't already. Don't forget to spread the word on your new favorite influencer. And without further ado, guys, enjoy the tutorial. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. So here's a close-up look of today's look, but before we get into it, let's do some priming. So I am going to be using the P. Louise eyeshadow base in Rumor number 2. You guys see me use this tons of time. And the featured palette in today's video is going to be the BPERFECT Carnival XL Pro palette, one of my favorites. So let's jump into the 3 colors, guys. So we're jumping into the color Wasted, Make Waves, and The Hype. You want to go ahead and apply these pretty much until you get the color that you see in the palette on the eye, and then we want to go ahead and start scratching at the edges. This is going to help with the blend and also making a seamless blend between the lighter colors or the assisting colors that we're about to put on. So I am jumping into Pep Talk, Soft Spot, and Ecstasy, and those are going to be my supporting colors that's going to help me further blend the initial colors. So we're going to go ahead and apply them again, getting that beautiful fade towards the brow. Okay, as you guys see me go higher, I get more fluffier, and the darker I get, the tighter the brush is. Okay, so as you guys can see, we went ahead with lights out and we went ahead and put that all over our crease to give us that definition. Come on, Peacock. All right, guys, jumping into my Garnier Micellar cleansing water, I am gonna go ahead and clean my eyelid, and then I'm also going to shape it. So now I'm going to cut my crease with the P. Louise bases in Rumor number 2, as well as the Blank Canvas paint and Blank Canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and mix those textures together and go ahead and cut that eyelid, and boom. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and jump into lights out, and I'm just going to go ahead and almost do like this tribal thing that's trending all over social media. I thought that would be really fun to just change it up and just, you know, make it unique and definitely make it artistry, you know. So here I'm going ahead and perfecting it, guys. This was definitely harder than it looked. Oh my gosh, I don't know how the beautiful and talented TATANISHA does it. Oh my gosh, she makes it look so easy. Jumping into our next palette, I am going to be using the BPERFECT Interstellar palette, and the colors that I'm going to be using are pastels. So I'm going to be using the color Earthbound, Nebula, Light Year, and Fiction. Those are the colors that I'm using in that exact order on the eyelid. Okay, first of all, y'all, I do want to let you guys know that I'm still learning how to blend colors into each other. This wasn't perfect. It was beautiful, but definitely wasn't perfect. But I'm still trying to learn how to really master the blending. But again, I did love how this came out, and with practice, you know, makes perfect. So I'm just really proud of myself that I got all of these colors on my eyelids. So for all of these small-eyed girls, y'all can do it, okay? Because I have no eyelid space, okay? But let's jump back into the palette. I am going to use the 2 yellows to create that inner tear duct highlight. And then we're going to go into some eyeliner. I am going to use my favorite eyeliner. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Eyeliner, and I love this eyeliner so much, y'all. This eyeliner is so black and is so matte when it dries. It doesn't take long to dry, and it also does not make a mess. I love this. I am also going ahead and perfecting that like tribal shape that I created. And really, again, guys, take your time. Again, I highly recommend this eyeliner because you see how it glides and doesn't skip. Amazing. All right, guys, so jumping into our waterline, we are going to use the LA Girl Screaming eyeliner. This yellow is so fire. If you guys have never tried no LA Girl liners and you guys want to try color, definitely go there. They're affordable, just everything. And if you guys know, you know, this is my favorite mascara. This is the One Size Fantasize mascara. Balm. Okay, stop playing. Jumping into complexion and lip prep, we are going to start up with some some lip prep. I am using the SummerFridays Lip Butter Balm in the vanilla scent, and if you know, you know. This makes your lips feel like silk and super hydrated. Highly recommended. And you guys already know this is my favorite complexion cocktail. I am using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Primer with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Liquid Filter. Y'all, this gives such a beautiful veil to whatever I put on top, and it just makes the foundation look truly beautiful, guys. I can't really explain it. It's just so good. Okay, so jumping into foundation, well, excuse me, color corrector. I am using the new Huda Beauty color corrector in the color Mango. This is a little deeper than I expected. I did order this online, but it did work out for me, and I really do like it. Then we're gonna jump into our foundation. I am using the Juvias Place I Am Magic foundation. I've been loving this foundation. I did purchase this like a few months ago, but I have been literally picking this up for my like glamour days. Okay, like when I want to have my full coverage moments. All right, guys, so going to a old favorite, this is definitely holy grail. This is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This one was such a long time like companion of mine. I love this. I'm so glad I repurchased it. It's so good. Anyways, moving on to bronzer. I am using the Made by Mitchell Blursh Bronzer in Caramel Chisel, and I'm just going ahead and shaping out this face, adding some dimension to the complexion. And then we are going to go into a liquid blush. This is the Rare Beauty blush in Happy. Y'all, I've been loving the Rare Beauty liquid blushes. I only have 2, but let me tell you, every time I put this on, I'm like, yo, I need to own the whole collection. Okay, the blend is so beautiful, and the pigment is so buildable and doesn't add bulk to the skin, which I love in a makeup formula. Moving on, I am going to use the Collab Set the Stage Loose Powder to set my under eyes, and then to set the remaining part of our face, I'm going to use the Juvias Place I Am Magic Powder Foundation. And when I talk about butter skins, give it to me, okay? Like, hello. So moving on to adding dimension and warmth to our face, I am going to use the Fenty Beauty's Sunstalker Bronzing Palette. You guys know I love this palette so much. I mean, come on now. Look at that face. Alright, guys, and to add some color to the face, I'm going to use the One Size Attention Seeker Blush Palette. If you know, you know. This blush is so beautiful. I love this blush so much. Like, come on now. All right, guys, so working on our under eyes, I'm going to use the same colors that I used in the crease to create our bottom lash line. So I am going to go into the color Wasted, Make Waves, and the Hype, I believe. And I'm just going to, again, trace them out. And then what I'm going to do here is jump into Lights Out, and I'm going to add that dimension. So again, it has that depth. You guys know I am here for the depth of it all right? So here I really thought this was going to make a difference, but it truly didn't. So you guys can skip on this part. I did go ahead with the Nobla Cosmetics Miami Lights glitter palette, and I used the lightest shade. I thought I was going to be a little bit more sparkly than this, but it really didn't do much. All right, and you guys know, if you follow me for a long time, these are the Popsy lashes, my favorite in the style Boss. Come on, talk about elevation and really setting off the eye look. Okay, if you guys want to try these, I have a coupon code. I'll list it in the description bar down below. All right, guys, jumping into lips, I am going to go ahead with my favorite lip pencil at the moment. This is the Juvias Place So Rare lip pencil, and then I'm going to go ahead with, of course, my favorite lipstick formula. This is the Artist Couture Silk Creamsicle lipstick in Angel Baby. Sorry, I got a little fumbled there, and I love this lipstick. I'm literally down to nothing. And then, of course, to set this lip off, we're going to use the best of the best, my favorite, the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy Glow. Okay, and then to set the remaining part of our face, well, to set our face, we're going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And guys, it truly was a pleasure creating this look for you guys. I hope you guys truly enjoyed today's video. Again, if you guys like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Go ahead and follow me on my socials if you aren't. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Later, y'all.